Hello, this is a audio commentary for the Capitol Ring video footage that I've been creating. I haven't yet finished the whole of the Capitol Ring. I think I've done about 70% of it so far, but I thought I may as well start narrating the experience of this. So this is section 1, and it starts in Woolwich at the entrance stroke exit of the Woolwich Tunnel, and now this stretch that you can see is walking along the Thames path, or actually I think it's the southeast England path, up until the point where you get to the Thames barrier, and at that point this diverges. This Capitol Ring turns inland, turns to the left because it's going south away from the River Thames. One thing I'd better mention whilst we're on the river is that the Thames barrier was opened in 1982. It was proposed, it was first thought of in 1953 after a devastating storm. A huge surge took place on the eastern coast of England and caused a great deal of flooding. And during the 70s, there were a lot of maps warning about, lots of signs warning about what to do if central London flooded, and a huge area would have been flooded if a similar storm surge had affected the capital. The Thames barrier has saved London many times over. Now, on the video, we're now moving inland. You'll see that we're walking up to the main road that comes from Woolwich, going up towards Charlton and central Greenwich. Now, after crossing the road, we get to a park, and I think at this point I'll stop.